Mogoeng Mogoeng exposed Ramaphosa a long time ago. That's why the video ka Ramaphosa, it just keeps circulating. Time and again, it keeps coming back. I will make you listen to the video ka Mogoeng Mogoeng. I'm going to allow you to go through that video today. But I want you to take a look at some of the things that Mogoeng Mogoeng raised long time ago. Mogoeng Mogoeng spoke about a captured judicial. Listen to this term. He spoke about a captured judicial. And mind you, Mogoeng Mogoeng spoke about it long time ago, right? Then the CR17 statement, Loko Malema said that statement had about 46 judges that were bribed that are on Ramaphosa's pocket. So the question is, what did Mogoeng Mogoeng saw that we probably did not pay attention to? But now, as time progresses, we are beginning to realize that no, man, Mogoeng Mogoeng was onto something when he said we should be worried about a captured judicial. What did Mogoeng Mogoeng saw that we did not, which worries me to the core? What is it that we are overlooking, which we should be paying attention to? It cannot be that you have Malema, you've got Zuma, you have Mogoeng Mogoeng, and many other people complaining about judicial in this country. But what is more is that when you have a person who is inside judicial warning us about the possibilities of people in the judicial being captured, because he uses this word, captured judicial. Mogoeng Mogoeng warned us, but maybe we did not want to listen. But we were warned. We were warned. I am beginning to see certain things with no man. They are beginning to make sense. Like, really, guys, there are things that now, when you sit down and you analyze them, they are beginning to make a lot of sense. In fact, full of sense. There's another thing that I saw that makes sense, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also, guys, want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, now I'm about to give you the video ga Mogoeng Mogoeng, but here is what I want you to do. I want you to firstly please listen to each and every single word that comes from former Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng. It matters. It matters. He speaks about this thing of having tea with certain people and how it influences certain people. And in fact, that's true. That's how they change your perception. So, former Chief Justice was on point when he said that. Guys, we should be worried. Now, we need to also talk about what Mbeki once said about this type of people. Even Mbeki was concerned about the leadership that was to rule look in this country. But before we divulge or before we go further or before we unpack everything about what Mbeki once said, let's go to or let's listen to Chief Justice here.
A government of the people, by the people, and for the people? Does it continue to be so? Even if you stand no chance of winning the elections unless you're connected to the financially well-resourced? And if they fund you to the point where you succeed and win and become a government, are you not captured in advance? So we need to really think deep about how capture happens. There's no free lunch, and never for the millions. You may get free lunch maybe for 1,000 rand, but once I begin to give you 1 million rand, 3 million, 5, 50, 100, whether I set you up in business or in government, there will be payback time. Why should I make you a multi-millionaire? Why? Why do I prefer you over others? Why? It's an investment. And be careful about those who are prepared to do everything, even outside of the book, to ascend to a leadership position. It's never those they claim to seek to represent that they really seek to represent. It is their stomachs and their insatiable appetite for power and money that they seek to satisfy. If only we were not to stay in a place where we always position ourselves for praise and favorable media coverage.
With that being said, good guys, if you had listened carefully to what Chief Justice said, you will come to this conclusion that there is something wrong in the Constitution. Now, former President Mbeki once spoke about imigodoi taking charge of our lives. You must look at the cruelty. Okay, let me give this example. EMK party had recently interdicted the sitting of parliament. I am asking myself this question. Looking at the behavior of the judicial, for the fact that a person once sentenced without a trial in this country and people doesn't see anything wrong with that, that worries us. That is an indication of a deviation from a right path. We should be worried about that, but we're not worried. But even then, though we're not worried about all of that, right now, the MK party had launched an application. Does that application stand a chance to succeed in the Constitutional Court? We said it previously. This is the context of the judges. We said it previously before the IEC took this man to the Constitutional Court. We said it that based on the behavior of everything here, we do not know if they will succeed. We do not have hope that they will succeed in that application, considering that it is the same court. Mostly, some of those judges will want to defend their first decision of sending Zuma to prison, so they can't contradict themselves. Boy, oh boy, were we wrong? Definitely not. It turns out that they proved us right. What do you think is going to happen this time around? So I want us to speak in the context of these people that are making crucial decisions for this country. But this judge, Mogoeng, calls them people who are biased. He calls them people who are captured. Who it's in one of this video as well. He once said that there are people who you will be told that you need to make. Look, these ones cannot be arrested. In fact, it is the very same man who once showed us that there was an amount of money that was there for him to sell out, for him to buy. So the buying thing, he doesn't speak of it as just a theory. He speaks of it as something. He speaks of he speaks of it as something, as a lived experience, because he's told us how they were trying to get him to do their will, how they were trying to bribe him, how they were trying to facilitate this thing. So if they had even tried to look, how many people, hey, do you know what I'm saying? Do you see why I'm saying we've got a reason to worry? But unfortunately, a lot of us, we are relaxed. We are very much relaxed. That I can tell you for sure. We are very much relaxed, and we don't see anything wrong with everything that is happening. So I'm very worried. I am very, 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 very worried. What the former Chief Justice said here, it really worries me. But what about you? Tell me in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next video. But until such a time, please take care.